Hello, financial explorers. Introducing TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing and POS system. Today, let's talk about credit repair merchant processing, key insights and strategies. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave your thoughts down below in the comments section. Your engagement fuels our content creation. In the dynamic landscape of today's business world, credit repair companies play a vital role in helping individuals and businesses regain financial stability. Understanding high-risk payment processing. High-risk payment processing involves providing merchant accounts, payment gateways, and credit card processing services tailored to industries that might be susceptible to chargebacks or fraud. This ensures smoother transactions while managing potential risks effectively. Navigating merchant accounts and processing. Merchant accounts facilitate the acceptance of credit card payments, allowing customers to secure transactions, building trust among clients. Combining merchant accounts with effective payment processing systems empowers credit repair businesses to process payments seamlessly, enhancing customer satisfaction. The role of payment gateways in credit repair. Payment gateways facilitate the secure transfer of payment information, ensuring that sensitive data is encrypted and protected. A high-risk payment gateway offers advanced security measures and fraud prevention tools, safeguarding both the business and its clients from potential threats. E-commerce integration for credit repair services. Integrating e-commerce gateways and merchant accounts tailored to credit repair allows businesses to tap into the digital market, making their services accessible to a broader audience. Accepting credit cards for e-commerce transactions provides customers with a convenient and user-friendly experience. Tailoring services for the CBD industry. CBD businesses often face challenges related to payment processing due to the evolving legal landscape. Credit repair merchant accounts and payment gateways designed for the CBD industry enable these businesses to accept credit card payments, promoting growth and sustainability. Advantages of credit card payment services. Credit card payment processing systems streamline transactions, reducing the likelihood of abandoned carts during the payment process. Payment gateway solutions associated with credit card merchant accounts provide a reliable and efficient way to manage financial transactions. The future of credit repair merchant processing. As technology continues to advance, the future of credit repair merchant processing holds promising developments. These payment gateways and merchant processing systems will become more intuitive and user-friendly, enhancing the overall customer experience. For cutting-edge payment solutions for your business, visit TouchSuite's website. Trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide, from startups to global brands, TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.